Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Good morning from Chicago, Illinois. Today is day 2 of Riot Fest. I'm about to head that way, but first I'm gonna get something to eat from Uber Eats because the food at Riot Fest was not good, so I thought I would eat before I go to Riot Fest this time. Also, obviously, I did not pay attention to the warnings of using sunscreen. I didn't use sunscreen, so obviously that's why I'm red. Time to get Riot Fest day 2 started.
Everything out of your pocket!
I was feeling it in that moment, but I think we all know that's not true. Some people here are actually losers. By show of hands, who's a loser? Holy shit, it can't be that many of you. I know your plight, I understand, I've been there. Let me describe your Saturday night to you. When you're not at Riot Fest. You're sitting at your house, which is actually your mom's house, in the basement. You call it your flat, that's not a flat, that's your parents' basement. You're sitting on that shitty old couch, you got Cheetos dust everywhere.
Free couch.
You're sitting there, you got your band t-shirt on, you think you're so cool, nobody's heard of that band.
I heard of them first.
You got your movie posters up on the wall, you think you're cool. You ain't seen half those movies, you poser ass motherfucker.
Yeah, I got some watching it though.
You're sitting there playing Xbox One, 13-year-olds are trash talking you and literally hurting your feelings. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Xbox 360.
Yeah, that's right. Anyways, this next song's about spending a Saturday night alone. It's called Saturday Night Alone.
Big as Hillary's crowd. No question about it. Friends, GWAR, ladies and gentlemen, true American patriots.
Oh, Donald Trump! I think it's time for you to be Jamaica. The President of the United States, ladies and gentlemen. I wanna kill the President and I don't need a gun. I wanna fuck the government, I want to fuck a nun. I wanna beat the welding black and paint the streets in gold. Killing will come to an end until I take my throne. Stop and smell it, Nicky. I want you giving your life, come in. Your struggle must always in vain. Your dreams have been killed. You underestimate our influence. I wanna be up for an audience, forget it all. Don't wanna stand myself up for a fall. I stand to blue in the face, won't get a response. So pitifully take now, take the day now. Got the name of an unknown place and I'm feeling wheezing. You know we're reason, sort of a taste on, we're not at all.
This is amazing. Thank you all for being here. We're the story so far. Sing loud. Come on.
even know the words. Here we go.
If you're making it for Slayer, time to get on the rails. It's like seeing all these people show up who want to be over here. So like you guys have been here for a while, you want to get in, now's the time.
Am I loud and clear, or am I breaking up? Am I still your charm, or am I just bad luck? Are we getting closer, or are we just getting more lost? And I'll show you mine, if you show me yours first. Let's compare scars, and I'll tell you whose is worse. Let's unwrite these pages, replace them with our own. We live on front porches and swing life away. We can get by just fine here on minimum wage. If love is a labor, I'll slave till the end. I won't cross these streets until you hold my hand. I've been here so long, think that it's time to move. The winter's so cold, summer's over too soon. So let's pack our bags and settle down where palm trees grow. But I've got some friends, and we've had some times, and we chase these days down with talks of the places that we will go. Sing it with me.
I'll stab you out between the eyes. You're waiting for the light. I'm standing in the houses and just dancing. Through the masses of distance. I'm a golden lunatic. And then you got me lunatic. That's what you become my obsession. To keep God like an infection. My scars only say my life. Hoping I've seen nothing but divine. It's really
Well, that's it for day 2 of Riot Fest. Another amazing day, evening, night. My favorite band of the day would have to be fucking Slayer. This was the second time I got to see Slayer. I was a huge Slayer fan when I was in middle school, so it meant a lot to me to go see them for this last time. So, horns is up for Slayer. God hates us all. God hates us all. All right. My name is Zach, and I do like to backpack around the world.